Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chainsaw tachometers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Timorn waterproof tachometer for chainsaw. Timorn tachometer. There is no doubt that you can use the RPM meter, which you can use with your chainsaw tool. This is a 2-stroke and 4-stroke fuel motor that can be equipped with its tachometer. You have to utilize it in a cutting tool. These will be anal in the same way. It will have the option to display RPM respect up to 99,999. It has a 1.9 meter long wire as a wired tachometer with the gadget. What's more, you will also be given a natural client's manual to work with it all together. Also, to get back the functionality of this item, it is a CR2450 lithium battery. This will give a lifetime battery backup to keep your cutting tool tachometer working. Marine ATV motorcycles snowmobile hour meter track the service lifetime of your vehicle oil changes, valve, adjustments, spark plugs, etc. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hipa Tachometer Trimmer Weed Eater Chainsaw. The Hipa Tachometer Tachometer includes significantly more than just a tachometer. It consists of a wide variety of things: a tachometer, a carrying case, a 10-piece carburetor adjustment toolbox, and a cleaning pack. This toolbox is adaptable, as it is compatible with various hardware brands including Stihl, Echo, Husqvarna, Videator, Homelight, Ryobi, Poulan, and what it costs, whatever else using the change screws. It realizes uninterrupted up to 16,000 revolutions per minute, making it an incredible device for 2/4 cycle motors. Thus, as long as you are probably aware of using these things, you are set. As it is when you are new to the tachometer and general motor maintenance when it comes to getting all the work done, at that moment it probably won't be the most natural set to buy immediately. At number 3, we have the Runleader HM032R tachometer for chainsaw. The Runleader HM032R is a listed tachometer intended for 2 to 4-stroke oil motors. Most importantly, the framework can sense both the RPM of a chainsaw tool and the engine as hours or runtime. The RPM perception is 20,000, and the perception hours are as long as 99,999 hours, so there is enough room to run. To determine the cycle at each moment, interface with the cable gear and test the presentation. Its RPM estimation system calculates the current RPM, shows the motor's standard RPM. Whether you're changing and verifying your gadget, having different techniques for sculpting is extremely effective. At number 2, we have the Neeko 20713A digital chainsaw tachometer. This Neeko 20713A chainsaw tachometer is an exceptionally exact logical instrument. Includes the invention of a 6 MHz precious stone pendulum and digital laser photographs by the manufacturer. In the case of rate estimates or leading index tests, you will see the model is easy to operate. Then you need to identify the speed using your computerized tachometer and measure its speed. The speed in a flash of RPM will be displayed on its huge LCD screen. Gadget error room is only plus 0.05%. It is suitable for taking estimates from separations up to 20 inches. Natural and easy-to-use capabilities permit you to save the base and maximum guess with a self-zero capacity. And finally, at number 1, we have the SEARON digital tachometer for chainsaw cropper generator lawnmower. Digital tach gauge for chainsaw cropper generator mower RV ATV trail bike motocross boat tractor and the other internal combustion engine powered device. This tachometer is straightforward to use and seems to be accurate. But the battery isn't replaceable, and the expected battery life is 4 to 9 years. It is an excellent investment if you would like to tune the chainsaw into low, high, fuel, air mixtures using this tachometer. The chainsaw runs very smoothly in this way. Chainsaws pick abreast of impulse signals pretty decent ways away. It doesn't ramp up quite as fast as one would really like, but it's a perfect product to recommend. It's ideal for its cost, and that I think there's help lot to tune the chainsaws just right. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.